हम सफर कर रहे हैं बेहद खूबसूरत रास्तों के बीच में केरला में। ये ट्रैक है और इस ट्रैक पर वंदे भारत का सफर अपने आप में दिलचस्प है, शानदार है। और इस वंदे भारत के सफर में किस तरीके से लगातार बढ़ोतरी हो रही है के राज्यों में, तो हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए मौजूद हैं ओम नारायण जी, जो कि सीनियर पीआरओ हैं सदर्न रेलवे। तो ओम सर, वेलकम। अब मुझे बताइए कि लगातार सदर्न रेलवे में जो वंदे भारत में इजाफा हो रहा है, ये कितना महत्वपूर्ण है?
Vande Bharat has totally changed the way railway travels. It has changed the face of Indian Railways. It has changed the face of Indian Railways totally. And Vande Bharat represents the new face of Indian Railways in every way.
100%. But one thing I would like to know, how significant it is for Kochi people, new Vande Bharat flag off. How significant?
This is the second day train to Bangalore from Ernakulam. Already we have one intercity express which is from Ernakulam to Bangalore. It takes about 11 hours plus. But this train, Vande Bharat, takes only around 8 hours and 20 minutes,
So
which is a very good time saving for the people.
You mean it is going to save 2.5 hours?
Yes.
Certainly, it is a very good thing. And how convenient it is for common people? How convenient it is for the people who is traveling daily basis or weekly basis to Bangalore?
Because Vande Bharat is a day train which reaches the destination in a very short period of 8 hours and 20 minutes. The early morning Vande Bharat starts from Bangalore at 5:50 in the morning. It reaches Ernakulam at 1:50 in the afternoon. It leaves again at 14:20, that is 2:20 in the afternoon, reaching Bangalore at 11 o'clock. So there is one trip from Bangalore to Ernakulam and back. So if anybody is wanting to do some business and things like that, they can easily travel in this train and then they can go back.
And my final question to you, sir: how do you see railways growth in recent years in southern railways, especially from Pamban Bridge to new Vande Bharat train? What is your opinion on that?
Southern Railway has seen a lot of development in the recent past, and Pamban Bridge especially is one of our highlights. It represents the pinnacle of railway engineering. So we are very proud of the fact that we are able to showcase the engineering marvel of Pamban Bridge to the nation and to the world. And Southern Railway has seen a lot of developments, especially connectivity. This particular train, for example, connects 3 states: Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. There are 3 stations in Kerala, 2 stations in Karnataka and 4 stations in Tamil Nadu. So it connects all these 3 states in a very comprehensive way.
निश्चित तौर पर 3 राज्यों के लिए एक बेहतरीन ट्रेन की शुरुआत हुई है, जो कि लोगों की जो यात्रा है उसके अनुभव को बेहतर करेगी ही। साथ ही जो ट्रैवल टाइम है, सबसे ज़रूरी और महत्वपूर्ण बिंदु ये है, जो ट्रैवल टाइम है वो करीब 2.5 घंटे से ज़्यादा की बचत होगी कोची से बेंगलोर जाने के लिए। तो सदर्न रेलवे के लिए ये बहुत अहम ट्रेन है।